Hey guys, so several of you struggled with lesson 7 problem set, and before I explain everything, I really want to make sure that you understand that you have to do Zern before you do the assessments. You should do lesson 7 Zern before you do this. Just like today, you should do lesson 8 on Zern. Tomorrow, you're going to do lesson 9 on Zern and then do the assessments. The Zern part teaches you all of this stuff, so you should understand it after you're done with Zern. Please, please, please make sure you're doing Zern first. Also, if you are not caught up to the lesson that we're on today, which is lesson 8, please make sure that you catch up, because if you do lesson 1 on Zern and then do lesson 7 assessments, it's not going to match up and you're not going to understand. So please make sure that you catch up to lesson 8, which is what you should be doing today. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this with you. How many eighths are in one whole? So here you can see that we're working with eighths. This whole section right here is a whole. That is 1. So how many eighths does it take up to make one whole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your bottom number is the total number to make a whole. So your answer there should be 8. Alright, how many ninths are in one whole? If we change this to ninths, you can see that it would take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to make one whole. So our answer there is 9. How many twelfths are in one whole? Change this to twelfths. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 twelfths that make up one whole. So the answer there is 12. Each strip represents one whole. This whole thing is one whole. Write a fraction to label the shaded and unshaded parts. This time it's asking for the shaded part. So 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1/5 is shaded. Now it wants to know the unshaded part. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces out of 5 that are unshaded. So 4/5 is unshaded. The shaded part here, there is 1 piece shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1/7 is shaded. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces that are unshaded out of 7. So 6/7 is unshaded. Here we have 1 piece shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1/11 is shaded. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces are unshaded out of the total of 11. So 10/11 are unshaded. Avanti read 1/6 of her book. What fraction of the book has she not read? So here we're going to look at sixths. Let's say that this is the fraction that she read, and the unshaded ones are the fractions that are the fraction that represented to show how much she has not read. So she has not read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of a total of 6. So she has not read 5/6 of her book. All right, make sure that at the end you click finish assignment, because if you don't, it doesn't show me that you have finished. And I hope that helps. I look forward to seeing you guys at 2 o'clock on our class Zoom and seeing your parents at 6 o'clock.